Good morning, day 71 of Peter and Doxie sailing to Queensland. Here again, still in the beautiful Tin Can Bay, and look what's coming. The sun is about to come up through that little bit of horizon cloud. Little bit of a chill breeze going across here at the moment. Generally get that in the morning. Bit of smoke in it now too, because it's coming from the south, and they've been doing back burning there for the last few days at least. So just a light tinge of smoke, wood smoke. So it's not too unpleasant. But yeah, beautiful day here on the anchorage. So I'm just looking down before I throw myself into the sea. Yeah, at least we can see something this morning. If you looked at yesterday's video, it started with pea soup fog. Anyway, time for a coffee. Time to also just wipe down the clears, the windows, for those who don't follow, just to get that condensation off. So I actually like that job because it means it's not raining. And here she comes, poking through that little hole in the cloud. Rising over, well, from the direction of Fraser Island almost. No, not really. I'm looking in the wrong direction. It's more just inskip, I suppose. Fraser Island's a bit more to the left. But look at that. So back in the cockpit, Mini Doxie. No, not the other name that somebody wanted to give it. Yeah, because the tides are around about an hour later every day, it's reaching a point now where it's still going out during the dawn. And why does that matter? Well, it doesn't matter, but it's nice because it means the stern of the boat is pointing towards the rising sun and away from the wind. So, such as it is, there's a bit of a chill in it. So the dodger here is basically keeping the cockpit nice and protected from the wind, and the sun can shine into the cockpit and start warming the living area more quickly. Also, it's at a much better angle for the solar panel when it comes up. So as days go on, and we do get the sun every morning, we'll just benefit from those early rays for my warmth and for the solar panel's power. In the distance you can see Fraser Island there, sort of a blue hazy hill in the background. There's a bit of mist hanging around it. Just backing off again and looking up at the town of Tin Can Bay itself. All is quiet at this time. So if you can see it, basically in these kind of mornings there is condensation everywhere on the outside of the boat. Thankfully not on the inside, although it is something you've got to keep an eye on because you don't want mould and stuff creeping in. But it also means the windows or clears are also covered. So I like to go around them and basically give them a wipe first thing in the morning. It means I'm cleaning them with fresh water, but also it means the light can start coming in as soon as we get the sun. Yeah, so I just give the coach roof here, the Dodger, a bit of a go first, so I'm not just wiping the clears and then it just drips straight back down again. Obviously as the sun comes up it all starts to run off, burn off, so yeah, nice. I can feel some dolphins in my morning today. On my way, that's why I sort of got going earlier than normal rather than luxuriating over a cup of coffee. Morning at Tin Can Bay. The sun's just starting to hit everything. Little boats are starting to go out. Looks like I should have got here even earlier. Well, apparently all the dolphins are here. I've got my ticket to feed. Just hang back, they say, until the line goes down. Here we go.
That means they're holding up the very, very last fish. So get your videos ready. You're about to see how we tell them that the fish bar is officially closed. Okay, volunteers, feet out, please. So as soon as the SP's turned upside down, they know there's no more fish in there, and they turn around and off they go. So a big thank you to Suki, Lorna, Donna, Brett, Paul, Steve and Karen. And my name's Annette and Sam on the front gate. I hope you've all learned something about our wonderful Australian humpback dolphins. And if anyone would like a history sheet, come and see me and I'll give you one. Thank you.
Yeah, this is a good tone to go by. Go and chat to these guys. Not a bad place to be, is it? Nice view, I'm sure. Yeah, great vantage point. That's the yacht club down there. And yeah, I just gave them a bit of a donation to try and help out, seeing they helped me so much. So yeah, done that. My dinghy's just on the other side of the pontoon there, and looking up Snapper Creek. And we leave Tin Can Bay and head back to Doxie. Beautiful afternoon on the boat, just doing a couple of little jobs, but looking at this fire down south. Obviously back burning to prevent future forest fires happening during the bushfire season. But it looks like the hotter air is actually pushing up the humid or damp air as well, and causing it to condense right over the top. So it's quite impressive. And it just peters out that way. Just having a bit of a lounge in the cockpit. I'm actually waiting for, well, the tide's on the turn now, so it's going to be changing from incoming to outgoing. I'm waiting for a bit of beach to become exposed. I'd like to take the dinghy over and just have another go at a different process or system or whatever you call it, to try and resolve the leaky bung. So yeah, I've been kindly given some gunk stuff. Don't know what it's called. So I'll give that a go as soon as I see a bit of beach area to pull the dinghy out and dry the affected area. So yeah, it's a very pleasant afternoon. Bit frustrating. I'm still I'm talking to about 3 different companies at the moment, which deal in engine mounts, manufacturing or otherwise. One said no, they don't do them. Another one has given me an option, but it's going to involve drilling new holes, which I'm really loath to do. And the third one's just asking me for more information. It seems to be my engine doesn't turn up on anybody's database. Isn't it typical? It's just, yeah, I don't know. I always get the thing that's not normal. Yeah, no, I'm not going there. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just lazing away here for a moment, just having a bit of a read. And the boat's literally just turning as I'm talking. And the sun will come back on me in a second from the other side, and keeping an eye for a bit of exposed beach so I can go and do some work on that. Anyway, more to follow. Well, as it turns out, the tide's very slow in going down, and it's nearly 5 o'clock. The sun's going pretty close to sunset soon. And so I didn't get to take the dinghy to the beach today, so I might have to do that in the morning, where the tide obviously will be out at some point, and get those little things done. So yeah, I'm just having a chill right now in that case. Literally listening to a bit of Santana and reading and doing this video, of course. So yeah, with the dolphins, really interesting. I may have said it in a past video, but these are the Australian humpback dolphins. There's only about 1,000 left in the wild. This is the only place in Australia where they have license to feed them. Nobody is allowed to touch them, even the feeders. The dolphins will come and take the fish. If they prod you for more, that's on them, but you can't actually touch them at all, which is fair. And you know, you do the old hand sanitizing and everything before you go in. Yeah, literally I held my fish underwater and made a grab for it. These dolphins are quite different from your probably sea dolphins, because they've got the longer rostrum, the nose, beak, whatever you want to call it, which is common in estuarine and river dolphins. And their dorsal fin is smaller and further back on the body. So a bit like a humpback whale. So anyway, yeah, so it was great being that up close and just getting a good look at them and stuff. But yeah, really nice. Who doesn't like dolphins, right? So yeah, after that, I've just been potting around this afternoon when I got back to the boat. I got a tiller extension for my dinghy outboard motor, so I can basically sit facing further forward instead of having to sit in the middle seat to balance the boat, because it's only 8 feet long, and reach back with my arm to steer. And yeah, I guess it's helping me twist my neck more than I've ever had to twist it. But yeah, it'd be nice and comfortable if I could just have the steering control close further forward, just giving me that extra maneuverability to, well, enjoy the ride, be comfortable, and have a better view forward. So anyway, been a frustrating day on the front of mounts for the engine, as I said earlier on, so I won't repeat myself. Yeah, still not any further forward at this point. I've now had 2 out of 3 of the companies I've been addressing come back to say no, they couldn't help. There's one still in the mix, and of course I've got Tim, the diesel mechanic, who will be back in town on Monday, so I may need to lean on him further to get a solution. Otherwise I'll be taking up residency here at Tin Can Bay. That's about it. Anyway, there could be worse places to be for sure. So this is me. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the other videos if you haven't looked. This was day 71, did I say? Yeah, don't ask me. We've been going, well, Doxie and I have been going for quite some time, and a hell of a lot longer than I ever intended to even get this far. So interesting trip, that is for sure. So this is Dawn Raider, out. Thanks for watching another Adventures of Foxy Doxie. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.